Here, to use this rule properly, we have to use some considerations, and you must have to remember those considerations to apply it perfectly. First, the distance of the object, image or focus always measured from the pole. So object distance is the distance of the object from the pole. Image distance is the distance of the image from the pole, and focal length is the distance of the focus from the pole. So whenever we need to measure object distance, image distance or focus, we will consider the distance, or we will measure the distance from the pole. That is, we will start to walk from the pole towards the object, towards the image or towards the focus, to understand its sign very clearly. Okay, the next thing is that whenever and wherever possible, consider the direction of light from left to right. It's not that every time you have to consider it, but it is very useful for you. If you follow this rule, you can clearly understand or verify your. If I consider that an object is placed at this position, then the light will first fall on it and then will be reflected back from the object towards the mirror from this direction to this direction. So the direction of light is from left to right, and here also if we place an object, so the light will travel from left to right. So this is our first rule. Whenever and wherever possible, we will consider the direction of light from left to right. In the both case, we considered it that the light travels from left to right. Second thing, the rule says that if the distance of the object, image or focus is in the direction of the light, then we will consider those as positive. That is, light travels from this position to this direction, but where is our object? This is at this position. So object distance is the distance of the object from the pole. So if I want to move to the go to the object, from where I start? From pole. We already said the distance have to measured from the pole. So this is our pole. So from this direction we will move towards this direction. So is it the direction of the propagation of light? Is the light traveling in this direction? No, light traveling from left to right. But to get the object distance, we moved from right to left. So this direction is considered as negative. So here the distance will be negative. But if the object is placed at this position, then to get the object distance we will move from this position to in this direction, then we will consider that as a positive sign. So in the direction of light represent positive sign, the opposite directions represent negative sign. Here also the opposite direction represent the negative sign, and the same direction represent positive side. Also in case of image height or object height, the upward direction is considered as positive and the downward direction considered as negative. Here also the upward direction is positive, here the downward direction is negative. Suppose this is a concave mirror, an object is placed at this position and an image is formed in this direction. So object height consider 2 cm, this is 5 cm. So magnification is a term used here image height by object height. So image height equals to 5 centimeter, but it is in the downward direction, so we will write -5. Object is in the upper direction, so object height is +2, that is -5/2. Clear? In the same way, in this case, this is our pole, this is object, this is image. Light travels from left to right, so to get the object we have to move in this direction, so the direction is in the opposite direction of light, so here the object distance is considered as negative, and also to get the image you have to move in the opposite direction of light, so image distance is also negative in this case. So to remember those rules, we can consider, or we observed the following things. For concave mirror, focal length is always negative, as this is the focus of this concave mirror, so to get the focal length we have to move in this direction, that is opposite to the direction of light, so focus will be negative. And in case of convex mirror, this is the focus, so we have to move in this direction, that is from pole to focus, this is the direction of light, so here the focal length is positive. And for real object, that is when object is placed in this position, these are the real space, this is the virtual space. We know whenever an object or image is formed in the real space, the object will be real in nature. So if the object is placed in this direction, so there the u, that is object distance, will be negative. And if the image also forms in this direction, that is real image, v is also negative. V represents the image distance. So for real object or for real image, both u and v are negative. In case of virtual object or virtual image, virtual object or image, u and v both are positive. Clear? In case of real image or real object, both image distance and object distance are negative, and in case of virtual object or virtual image, both are positive. And in case of convex mirror, f is always positive, and for real object, that is, or for real image, u is negative, also v is negative. And in case of virtual object or image, e or v is positive. Clear? That is, if we consider the light is traveling from left direction towards the rightward direction, then anything which is present in the real space will be considered as negative, and anything that is object, image or focus which is present in the virtual space is defined as positive. These are the rules of consign convention.